How to fix Google Maps not working. Hello everyone, in this video I will show you the correct way how to fix this on your Google Maps. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, and after this go directly and open apps option. Here, as you see, we'll find all the applications that you have already on your phone. We'll search here for maps. Then you have to open maps like this and then go to storage option. Then go to the last button, clear data, then click OK and go back. Click on first stop and click OK. And what's next, guys? You have now to restart your phone, and after restarting your phone your problem will be fixed. So I hope, guys, this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribing in our channel, and see you in another videos.